Hi, my name is Tigna, and today we're going to talk about how to turn your clients into amazing fans and to get them to send you more clients. This is a really great topic because I feel like it's not talked about enough and it can completely change your business if you focus on your existing clients and turning them into your biggest fans who always love you, and it'll make your day like less busy, it'll make your life easier, you'll spend less money on marketing, and you love your business more. So let's get into it. The first thing that you should focus on is obviously having an epic service or a product. And I mean epic. I don't mean good, I don't mean excellent, I mean epic. That it literally blows their feet off. When they come in, they did not expect it to be so awesome. They think it's completely worth the money and more of what they're already paying. They love it, and it's not really, I know it may sound scary, but it's not really hard to do when you know your clients, you know what results they want. You invest time into coming up with ideas, into implementing them, and getting extra training, maybe getting better manufacturing if you have a product. It's just put the time into delivering and producing and manufacturing the best product and service. Think about Elon Musk, right? The guy is completely so wealthy, so successful. And I read an article on how he spends his time. Literally, most of his time is spent into product development. And he's doing that because he knows that if he delivers an amazing, car or, I don't know, trip to Mars, right? Then his business will explode naturally. So when you look at your calendar, how much time are you actually spending on creating the best service for your clients or the product? Definitely put more time and energy into that. The next thing on how to get them to be your biggest fans is customer service. You definitely have to invest more into it because nowadays everyone's good at customer service. It is definitely not a differentiator. Like if you think about your competitors and stuff, like you can't say we do better customer service. Everyone has great customer service, but it's important to build a connection with your clients. So I really recommend learning more about psychology, learning more about body language. Like we literally, when I train my team, I teach them about body language and how to approach a client when they're standing a certain way, when they're looking a certain way, because you want them to feel extremely comfortable. You want them to have and to feel like they're connected to you without them even understanding like why they feel so amazing in here, why they feel like they want to go back. Like they don't need to understand that, but it's all psychology. I recommend learning about the 6 human needs from Tony Robbins. There is so many things that you can do, like, and go more deep into customer service and not just think about like saying hi at the right time or saying thank you. No, you have to go really, really deep into learning psychology, body language, the 6 human needs, what do people even want, how they want to feel, what they want to experience, like all of these things. And I promise you, if you do invest money in time into your customer service, it will be worth tenfold. So if your clients have an excellent experience but they don't even get their products delivered properly, or your service sucks this one time because I don't know, something happened, they're way more likely to forgive you and come back. That's statistically proven, and in my business that's definitely happened more times than I would like. Whenever we've hired a new team member, they are obviously being trained, and the training period sometimes takes longer depending on the person. So if I teach them the customer service side and they're not delivering on the service side as much as they would want to, the clients are way more likely to come back because they'll forgive us, they'll forgive her this one time. And that's only because we do invest a lot of time and energy into customer service, and you can as well look into your problem solving. So when you have refund requests or issues that come up, I really want you to think about how you're solving them, because there is many ways that you can do that. And there's a lot of businesses who are handling their customer service side really badly, and end up having bad reviews or end up having too many refunds and things like that. So definitely invest into customer service. It is worth the money and the energy. The next one, which is really, really important if you want them to become your top fans and recommend you their clients, is a follow-up process. And this can go into customer service, obviously, and when you're investing your time and energy into it. But follow-up is so, so important. And when I say follow-up, I don't mean follow-up like Grant Cardone says that, like, I love Grant Cardone, but I think what I understand from his term, he means really pushing for the sale. When I say follow-up, I mean checking in with a client, making sure they're happy after they've gotten their service, making sure you can help them more even after they've paid you for their service or product or whatever. This again makes them feel like they're really cared for. No other business is taking care of them like that. You know, they would love to come back. They know that when they recommend their friends and colleagues and family members to you, they know that they are taken care of the same way. So really, really important to think about your follow-up systems, your follow-up processes. Are you even doing it? Let me know in the comments if you are doing it or if you're completely not. And if you're not, don't worry, you can fix this, right? And the last thing that you should focus on to make your clients your biggest fans and recommend you their friends and family, is to market to your existing clients consistently. I know when we think about marketing, we're always thinking like the new client, how we get the new client, but actually you should put more effort into marketing to your existing clients. Now, if you need help with that, I'm gonna attach a link to a list of 12 months of marketing campaigns that I personally have used over the years. They're proven, they work. You can check it out from the link in the description, or I'll add it in the comments. If you market to your existing clients the right way to keep them engaged, to keep them coming back, keep them excited about new products, new services, or even the old ones, then you will automatically have a system that brings in new clients through referrals and keep your existing clients engaged and happy and excited to come back to you, taken care of again, which in turn again will turn them into your biggest fans. So that was my list. I definitely recommend to start with one and then, move on to other parts of things that I told you. If you didn't make notes, go back, watch the whole training again, or watch the whole video and make notes of the things and put it in your calendar and just start freaking doing, start implementing them. They will be worth it. Let me know in the comments what would be the first thing that you're going to change or do. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.